I'm Brittany.
I'm Brianna.
And this is Teen Wolf Season 4, Episode 3, Muted.
I'm so excited for Liam.
No!
Hell no.
Okay. A plus for Sean.
Good job, Sean.
Nice shot at Game of Thrones.
Wait, Game of Thrones?
He's from Game of Thrones.
Right.
No? No? Liam!
Just so you're not like confused, this didn't just, like, this obsession with Liam didn't just happen. I have kind of been really looking forward to Liam since, like, the season promo. I'm excited for tonight.
I don't know what to do.
That's not your first kiss, didn't they kiss him?
No, just no with the texts.
I don't like Garrett. I don't like Liam. I don't like Garrett. Garrett's
I
kind
want
of
to see
an
if this is
asshole.
gonna work. She doesn't even try. Parrish. Thank you for smacking yourself in the boob with my hand.
Ooh.
I just figured that there's this huge hospital scene coming
Yeah.
up, and Melissa getting dragged across the floor, and the meat
Don't like
going.
that.
So.
Don't like that. I'm still so irrationally angry that Parrish thought that that was seriously venison.
I've never seen any of this.
It's so cute. I want to vomit. Oh my god.
I'm going to vomit.
Really wrote these?
What are they?
Not
no,
math
they're
notes.
not notes.
They're not math.
God, Lydia's going 3D styles on us.
Okay. Oh, shit, that was cute. Well, at least they finally used the white over our eyes.
What is he? Tyler Posey and Dylan Sprayberry battle it out with rapper Jake.
Are you okay?
I've sunk into writer mode, and I shouldn't do that, but I did.
Wait, hold doors!
Wow, thanks for listening to him.
I think we're ready to talk now.
No. Say it.
Liam!
More Danny.
Hashtag more Danny.
Anyway.
Liam.
That lacrosse is back.
God bless lacrosse. And lacrosse being back.
Thank God it's
back.
January.
Lacrosse is back. Lacrosse is what?
In the show.
Oh. I was like, no it's not.
Do we want to do the scoop head thing? Lacrosse is
Back.
back. Lacrosse is back.
Wait, we need to start over because I didn't do that. Ready? 1,
Okay.
2, 3.
Lacrosse is back.
I like that.
Yeah, that was cute.
But did you know lacrosse is back? So I don't think that Liam is too Colton Jackson. I don't think.
Colton? Jack
Stop. I don't.
Whitney?
La 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 la.
Ainsmore?
I can speak. I don't think that Liam is a Jackson 2.0. I need to think about my words. I don't think that Liam is
Season
a...
Wolf.
Stop! Liam, I have such a problem. This is not going to be good for me. I am a...
You go to Mexico!
walrus. What?
Their kids went to Mexico, so I'm saying they should go to Mexico together. Fantastic!
And it was
hashtag, it was cute.
Hashtag not a chest kiss.
Chased.
Oh, I always say it wrong. Yay! Progress! We didn't have to look at it. That was good.
What? I looked at you.
Oh, I didn't.
You want to do it again?
Progress! That was great! That was a very impressive shooting back up.
Thank you. I have long legs. It helps for momentum.
Ow. Cramp in my foot.
Oh no.
Ow, cramp, ow, 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 ow. You talk. Ow, cramp, ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow.
Okay, we've suffered an injury.
Ow. Oh.
If you ever make that noise on television again, I cannot promise that I'm going to survive it.
It would probably be a porno, so don't put that in. Me and Kira would be such great friends. I can baton twirl too. Let's have a baton twirling hangout party.
I will consider getting you a lacrosse stick. That's the only thing closer to a weapon I'm buying.
Please, I just want
No.
a sword! What about some nunchucks?
No.
I do know how to use nunchucks.
No. Stop saying it with an M.
I meant nunchucks. I do know how to use them though. I learned.
No.
Please.
No.
Can I glow in the dark?
Okay, if I'm not getting you nunchucks, why would you ask about the glow in the dark?
I'm just ignoring the no part.
No.
I'm gonna use my lightsaber now.
Parish! It's moving on.
I have two.
Moving on.
Can
Parish.
duel!
Parish.
Why did you let the underage girl who has a record for finding bodies just follow you into the...
That could be helpful.
I mean...
Well, she helped you find bodies. Go, what do you want it to be? Make it that. Make it that.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it well. I hated that. Why did I do that?
We're not gonna...
Don't.
I can cut it.
Yeah.
So thanks, Ian.
Sorry.
You good to scratch you.
But I'm gonna turn into a werewolf now. Fuck.
That means I'm a werewolf. I didn't know that. Self-discovery.
The visionary video.
Go ahead. I'm just gonna sit here with the so go.
Alright, so now that this wolf puppy is morphed. Yeah, so they should just fucking get a bestiary and they should tell us what a Wendigo is.
I will also take Peter.
Oh, I want Peter to tell them so bad. I just want Peter
Deaton
to
can tell us, or Peter can tell. I can't do
Alright.
this. Bye, guys.
Deuces.
You want me to put that in?
No.
I want to end it like that. You want me to put that in? No.